is it where electrification is on everyone's lips. Everyone's talking about it in the transportation industry. Everything is about going electric to get off fossil fuels. It's from an engineering perspective, I look at it and say, wow, I mean, diesel engines, internal combustion engine in general, that is a very compact way to generate a lot of very useful, practical power. Let's talk about electrification a little bit. Where do we stand in the electrification of off-highway equipment, do you feel?
So there's definitely lots of technologies that have emerged and are in development. And what you stated is exactly right. The power density of the traditional fossil fuels and a combustion engine is hard to match when you have the same space claim or the same amount of space for an electric solution. So we're in a situation where there's a spectrum or a transition that has to occur. We're going to have to use some of our fossil fuels in the best way possible, the most efficient way possible, while we develop some of these other technologies as we move from traditional hydraulic architectures to electro-hydraulic vehicles and even fully electric platforms. The key is that, again, it comes back to power density and energy storage. The vehicles are different, the duty cycles are different, and the amount of power that's required is different. And so when we look at fundamentally designing new vehicles to incorporate this new technology, in some cases it's going to be as simple as replacing an engine and energy storage with some electric motors and an energy storage solution. Yeah. But at most, it could entail a complete rethinking or redesign of the chassis to accommodate this very different architecture and energy storage.